Well, measles cases continue to rise across the U.S., and Florida ranks in the top 3 for most cases. According to the State Department of Health, there are currently 68 cases statewide. Jade Jarvis joins us live outside Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center. And Jade, you spoke with an infectious disease specialist about the outbreak.
Yeah, that's right, Tiffany. Currently, there are no measles cases in Palm Beach County or on the Treasure Coast, and experts are hoping that it stays that way.
Well, I think people should be more cognizant of the fact that we are third in the nation, and the numbers keep rising.
The bulk of Florida's measles cases are in Collier County, and dozens of cases have been linked to Ave Maria University's campus.
Some of these cases are cases in people that have never traveled outside of the country. So this is a very powerful statement to say that. That means that the only way of contagiousness is through community spread.
Dr. Leslie Diaz is the chair and director of the Infection Control Committee at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center. She says symptoms of measles include high fever, coughing, conjunctivitis, and a visible rash, and some people are at higher risk than others.
20 years ago, the vaccination rate was much higher than it is today. And while I understand the choices that parents make, know also that you're putting your child at risk for contracting that disease.
Others at high risk are older adults who were vaccinated earlier in life and people who are immunocompromised. And if you have symptoms, seek care as soon as possible.
It is a disease that's very contagious, but it's also a disease that can cause a lot of damage. The mortality rate is 1 in about 1,000 individuals. So if you are that 1,000 individuals that have comorbid illnesses, you need to pay attention.
And Dr. Diaz says that further spread can be mitigated by taking precautions like quarantining those who are infected. And she says she believes that the state officials are currently doing a good job in that regard. Reporting live tonight in Palm Beach Gardens, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.